Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It's Wednesday. That means it's time for a midweek update video. Been a quiet first 2 days of the week here in the market. Not a lot of motion. We did put a new all-time high in today on the SPY. You can see us pushing up here. Volume on the SPY itself, 21 million. Yesterday was 26 million. The Friday was 26. Very, very low volume on the index themselves. There is index and names, and that's really what the trade is here right now, is to stay with the names and avoid the indexes until something changes here. Right now, they don't want it. Market breadth overall is very flat today, slightly negative pretty much across the board. On the Qs, another all-time high here as well, still holding fine. IWM remains at a play. Palantir, the 19 puts now alerting. By the way, guys, IWM can't break free. The Dow, same thing. The financials today held serve just fine. JP Morgan, new all-time high today. Goldman Sachs just off of it. Same thing with Citigroup here. So, overall pretty good here. The SMHs remain strong as it pushes up and continues to fill that gap. NVIDIA gave some nice trade. I'm down to just a couple contracts left on it here, but taking back yesterday's weakness. AMD trying to break above the 21-day here, but can't quite get going. SMCI had a big day. This is a short squeeze. I got out on the open. I didn't get back in, unfortunately, but a nice big move up here to the 66.44. It's filled this gap from over here. You can see right here, this gap basically filled, and we'll see. Maybe it's running out of some juice here now as we move forward. Outside of that, it wasn't a lot. Apple's event, they didn't hold it. They just released a press release with it in there. It was a non-event. No action there today. Meta, after yesterday's big down move, continues here. It's just above the 21-day. Amazon trying to reclaim some levels here, but in the middle of nowhere. Same thing with Google. Neither one of them looking particularly wonderful. Microsoft had a nice day. Microsoft, the hawk, now that they have their first quantum chip, they've made themselves. Big kind of push up here to 415.30. By the way, that was my sell trigger for the day. That was a nice number there today. 21-day, your next target there. Tesla traded it 3 times today. Made really nice money, gave up some back, made nice money again. Not the easiest trade in the world today. It still just can't get this clean breakout. It should want to try to push the 21-day here, and it came up and just stopped dead up here today and came back down. Not a lot to say here. The market is kind of in a funky place. There's not much going on. They don't want to buy the market. They don't want to sell the market here. So they're keeping us kind of in this very small, tight range. Volumes overall low on the indexes, better on names. And that's the thing, if you focused on names like NVIDIA today and Tesla when they were in motion and SMCI, you did great. And if you're trying to chase stuff around, it's tougher. After the close for earnings tonight, we have Toast and Carvana. Tomorrow morning before the open, we have Baba, Walmart, Unity, Wayfair, and Kamiko. So some interesting names there. Hope you're all doing well, and I'll catch you guys all tomorrow morning in the room. Good night, everybody.